Oh my. I walked nearly 5 miles.
Good.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and welcome back to my channel. Well, it's Friday today and it's 3:30 already and I'm starting my vlog now. It's because I was doing my work. I started my work quite early today and then I thought let's just grab a camera and start vlogging because I don't want to be late. Thing is, and also I might just go for a walk at 4 o'clock now within 30 minutes. I'm planning to change my timings. I don't want to go for a walk late evening. Otherwise, I come home late evening, like 9:30 or 10 o'clock. And then I have to edit my vlog and then I go to bed quite late and then I start my day late. So I'm really again struggling with my timekeeping. It's my 47th day of vlogging. And trust me, it is not at all easy to do daily vlogs and finding new content every single day. But I'm really struggling a bit some days and some days goes well, but definitely I will get used to this process. And right now I'm also struggling with my drone. This controller of mine is not at all connecting with the drone, so I'm just trying to sort out some online help if someone can fix this. So obviously through DJI itself, not from authorized DJI service center. And yeah, I cannot delay it now because I don't want to get charged more and I want to sort this out as early as possible. Anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do now, but as I said, I'm just gonna get ready and go out for a walk, but I don't know what I'm doing after that. Let's see how things work out and let's see how the day goes. Let's go with the flow. Well, it's 5:30 in the evening and I just rushed and thought I will come early for a walk, and it's extremely warm outside and sunny and my head is hurting already. I'm already tired as well. I've not even finished my first round and I'm already tired. I hope I don't get heat stroke. Well, I just finished my 4th round and we're gonna go to the other park that's just there, somewhere there, so that we can fly our drone there because it's a nice plain area. And okay. She wants to take a credit for fixing drone. We both did the same thing, but still, yeah.
You didn't let me do it.
But we did the same thing.
No.
So 100 times I did the same thing, and she did 101 time, and it's got connected. So, okay, you get the credit. Well, yeah. Well, I just forgot to inform. Well, I just forgot to inform that our drone is okay now. Like the controller got paired with the drone now. I'm just crossing the door or a road. I don't know. Somehow I can't say road. I end up saying door. It's road. Okay. Whew, it's extremely tiring to walk in the sun. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
Oof. I should have got my sunglasses. Some kids are playing football here. So we're gonna fly a drone in this park now. We're just trying to find out a nice place for us to fly the drone. There's no way we can go to the other end because it's got some electric board. Yeah, the main electric board, and that's not good for your drone because it will really suck your drone and you lose all the controls of your drone and then you can never get your drone back. So there's no way we can go to the other end, so we have to find out a place somewhere in the middle and fly and try flying somewhere center. We just decided to sit here. I can't open my eyes. Sun is just in front of us.
Should we go sit in that shade over there then?
What shade?
There.
Oh wow, why not?
Come on then. Oh, the water.
We're just scared that if there's not dog potty here. We're gonna sit in the grass. I've never done this in the UK. I've never sat on the grass in the park. Never. I would like to do it. It's been so long, but not even once. Like once in 2013 for 5 minutes, but that was in the evening. It wasn't sunny at
Just
all.
sit with these daisies. Daisies.
So I would like to do that. I would like
There's
to.
no potty.
I would like to go on a picnic just in the park, eat food there, sit all day. Should we do that
Yeah, we
on
can.
weekend? I always carry this chopping board with me when I take my drone out.
Let me call her.
Thanks to Nas. Nas gave us this
I'll
idea.
give you a smaller one.
No, but thanks for this idea because it really protects my drone from any mud. It just keeps the surface flat for me as well. It's perfect.
Nishi, what's that?
It's a signal booster,
Okay.
just in case if a drone goes out of reach or something.
Your
I'm
toy.
always nervous when I have to fly a drone. Let's just put the SD card first. Oops. Put the SD card. Let's fully charge batteries.
How many have you got?
3. I'm really particular about my things, so I always pack it nicely and keep it, so don't get irritated or annoyed. I take a lot of time, so I like to keep my things nice and safe. Let me just pack everything nicely.
That's us. How do you feel? I had quite a few audience.
Yeah, I know. I've got a few audiences. That made me more nervous.
I know.
A lot of people just gathered to see my
Did
drone.
you see them boys first trying to kick it with a ball?
Yeah, with the ball, yeah.
And then obviously.
But then they say, oh, we were not kicking it. But then what if they do? It's gonna cost me a lot. I would have a sleepless night if something happens to my drone. After a long time, I tried to take some cinematic shots, but you know, there were too many people just gathered to see my drone. I have to be extra careful because a lot of kids here. Alright, no problem.
It's okay.
It's okay. She was so good. That little girl. She thought she disturbed us. She was well-mannered kid. Well, yeah, when I took it quite high, once it said weak connection, but then it's good that it says weak connection and bring it back, so I get notifications. It was a good experience, and I thought it's quite windy to fly drone here, but it was all good. I didn't get any kind of notification. It said it's safe to fly. That's not impressive at all. Well, it's time to go home, and we both are hungry.
We're going.
What did we eat all day?
Do you know it's Friday? Should we have a takeaway?
Like that house. It's like a house from cartoon.
Yeah, that used to be children's home.
Yeah, that's such a nice. I again found some beautiful flowers, colorful flowers. Just found
pear tree as well.
the apples here.
This apple, there's a pear tree.
Wow. That's the pears.
And there's
there.
a cherry tree up here.
And that's the cherry tree. Okay, let's search for a takeaway that does vegetarian food. We just came home and we are so tired with this heat, and we walked like so much today. And we came home with this well-deserved takeaway. Oh, that's mine. That's veggie burger meal. Got some mushroom budgies and some. Is this garlic bread? Is this good? It looks quite dry.
It's quite.
Well, anyways, it's time to end this vlog here. And if you have seen my vlog till here, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.